APC SMX48RMBP2U. Extend UPS runtime and never fear outages again. Feeling stressed about unexpected power outages disrupting your servers or network? Watching critical systems go offline can leave you frustrated, anxious, and powerless. Traditional UPS units can only do so much, and downtime risks data loss, workflow interruption, and chaos. You need a reliable, seamless solution that keeps your systems online, protects your equipment, and gives you complete peace of mind. Power interruptions can wreak havoc, halted productivity, lost data, disrupted communications, and frustrated clients. Every second of downtime counts, and relying solely on a standard UPS often leaves you scrambling. When power fails, stress skyrockets as you try to maintain operations, manage shutdowns, and prevent costly damage. Without a robust backup plan, outages quickly become a major headache. The APC SMX48RMBP2U Smart UPS X48V external battery pack is the ultimate solution to extend your UPS runtime and safeguard critical infrastructure. Compatible with SMX750, SMX1000, SMX1500, and other Smart UPS X models, it doubles or triples backup power during outages. The 2U rack mount or tower design fits seamlessly into server racks or office setups. Hot-swappable, maintenance-free lead-acid batteries ensure uninterrupted operation while allowing easy replacement. Intelligent battery management monitors health, optimizes charging, and prolongs lifespan. Imagine a sudden 45-minute blackout. Our user reported. It kept our core network and server online until power returned. Integration with PowerChute software gives accurate runtime estimation, alerts, and safe shutdown commands. Installation is simple, requiring just one connection to the main UPS. This battery pack delivers a quiet, efficient, and professional-grade solution for network closets, server rooms, or telecom setups. Once installed, it quietly protects your equipment, ensuring your business continues running smoothly, no matter the power situation. The benefits of the SMX48RMBP2U are immediate and transformative. Experts emphasize integration is seamless, and hot-swappable batteries are critical for uptime. Influencers note, extending your UPS runtime is not just power. It's peace of mind for your infrastructure. Users rave. During a 45-minute outage, everything stayed online. No data loss, no stress. It connects directly to compatible Smart UPS X models, providing additional runtime for servers, network switches, and storage arrays. Hot-swappable batteries let you maintain operations while replacing modules, and intelligent monitoring keeps you informed of battery health. Rackmount or tower convertible design adapts to any setup, from office networks to enterprise server rooms. PowerChute integration enables graceful shutdowns, detailed alerts, and runtime projections. No complicated installation. Plug-and-play functionality gets you up and running in minutes. Imagine monitoring your UPS remotely, seeing accurate runtime, and never worrying if your systems will stay online. This external battery pack ensures continuity, safety, and reliability. With robust construction, professional-grade design, and years of proven performance, it turns your standard UPS into a long-lasting power safeguard. For IT managers, data centers, and network professionals, this is a must-have upgrade. Upgrade your UPS today with the APC SMX48RMBP2U external battery pack. Secure uninterrupted power for critical systems. Extend runtime, manage outages, and protect your servers effortlessly. Thousands of professionals trust APC for reliable backup power, and this battery pack delivers enterprise-grade performance without complexity. Don't wait. Enhance your UPS, prevent costly downtime, and keep operations running smoothly. Act now. Install easily and experience peace of mind with extended, reliable backup power you can count on every day.